'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the North Pole, not a creature was stirring, except for one reindeer with a very ticklish nose. Everything was perfect. Santa's sleigh was polished to a shine. The elves were finishing the last batch of gingerbread cookies, and the other reindeer were practicing their graceful takeoffs. But then, a tiny feather from Santa's hat tickled Rudolph's nose. Achoo! A giant sneeze erupted, sending a blizzard of glittery reindeer dust everywhere. The elves, who were carefully stacking cookies, suddenly found themselves in a sweet, crumbly avalanche. One elf popped his head out, covered in frosting, and giggled. Then another. Soon, the whole workshop was filled with laughter as they started a friendly cookie crumb snowball fight. Santa, hearing the commotion, came out to see what was happening. He saw the mess, the giggling elves, and Rudolph, whose nose was still glowing bright red with embarrassment instead of being cross. Santa's belly shook like a bowl full of jelly. He let out a hearty ho-ho-ho and joined in the fun, tossing a gingerbread man like a frisbee. The sneeze had turned the stressful night into a joyful party. They cleaned up together, with everyone still chuckling, as they finally took off into the starry night. Rudolph's nose glowed brighter than ever, not from a cold, but from the warmth of the fun they'd shared. It just goes to show that sometimes a little unexpected chaos can lead to the best memories. Merry Christmas, everyone! If you enjoyed this little North Pole story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tales. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.